Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty Passion, and today's video I'm showing you how to make your press-on nails look natural. I use my Kiss acrylic nails, the super glue, OPI dehydrator, Kiss gel Manicorn. I got it from the Dollar Tree. My favorite top coat, HEV. My Dollar Tree nail file, my alcohol. And these are all the things you're going to need right here. All the things you're going to need. If you haven't seen my previous video, I run down everything that you need to put the nails on. So all these are the things that you need. Today's video is going to focus on how to make your nails look more natural. Your press-on nails to look more natural. Those are my beat up nails. And I am about to apply my favorite Tips by Kiss. Make sure you put the Gorilla Glue on your nail and on the press-on nail. Make sure you spread it out with the brush. Again, the prep is in all my previous videos. I'm putting the nails on. I'm pressing, 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 pressing. Pressing until they don't move anymore. Just a firm press. And then once you get them where they don't move anymore, make sure you take the tab off. Just bend it back and forth. So I'm going along and I'm putting on these nails, spreading the glue, put it on a natural nail, put it on a press-on nail. And I'm just moving right on along here. All right. Now, after I get done with that hand, I'm on my second hand. Oh, I'm still on my first hand. I'm done with my first hand. All right. That's the finish. One hand finished. Two hands finished. Now, these nails I already have a shape to them. I just shape them because of the nail tech in me. I just give them another clean shape. Now, I started off using my Kiss electronic nail file. I didn't like the job it was doing. So, I end up switching to my as soon as it comes up, my Dollar Tree e-file. Yes, it did better for me. My Dollar Tree nail file did the job. It got into my cuticle. This is the most important part. To use your electronic nail file around your cuticles. We're trying to make that nail look real flush to your natural nail. Now it's time to polish. Make sure these are the nails after I've used the nail file. So you see how they look smooth from the cuticle into the nail. Make sure you clean your nail off with I'm showing you my HEV. That's my top coat, my favorite top coat. I use it as a base coat and a top coat. But before you do that, make sure you clean each nail off with the alcohol. All right, back to the base coat. HEV base coat is what I put on first. Make sure you polish all 10 nails with the HEV base coat. Now, that's what I use. It's a top coat. I use it as a base coat also. So, I'm doing, using it both ways, base coat and top coat. Today's polish is the Kiss Gel Strong Polish Manicorn. It's a really pretty purple. I'm wearing purple this month for Domestic Abuse Violence Awareness Month. So, this month, my nails are going to be purple. I also am going to include the hotline at the end of this video if you know anyone that needs to maybe call a line for domestic abuse help. So I'm painting. This is a really pretty purple. Make sure you clean those cuticles. It's all about your cuticles being clean. No polish on anything. It needs to be a nice, smooth, thin line around your cuticles for your manicure to look great and for them not to notice that they're not press-on nails. You got to make sure you clean up your cuticle. Your cuticle work is the most important thing. I'm putting on a second coat of Manicorn. This is the finished product. 2 coats of Manicorn. That is just gorgeous. Look at that pink, that purple. It's so gorgeous. And that's the end. Those are a couple of photos for you. That is just so beautiful. You can tell that you can't even tell those is press-on nails. Wow. Make sure you pass this number along to anybody that's dealing with domestic violence. This is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. Thank you. and see you all in my next video. Bye.